Hello everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're joining me. We have another Unwrapped, Unscripted, where we're actually going to be unwrapping the innards of an IBM hard drive. And this one came out of an IBM PS2 Model 25. Screams like a banshee when you power it on. It will do a successful, unconditional, low-level format, but fails everything else. Fails seek, fails ECC, fails conditional format, fails high-level format, and I'm not sure if that's normal or not. So we're going to try pulling the cover off of this thing. Do not do this at home, especially if it's a drive that you're confident might be able to be resuscitated. But I've been trying for the last couple of weeks to get this going with no luck. And I almost wonder if somebody's been inside this already, because usually these screws are not so easy to remove. Now, just to point out, for those who have not been working with this sort of legacy technology, spinning media, when you pop the seal on this, essentially you've trashed it. Now, if I notice anything super out of the ordinary where I might be able to like, oh, that's the problem, throw it back together really quick, I might do that. But usually when you open it, it can't be used for production anymore. That's it. That's the end of it. I don't think. Nope. There's nothing. Oh, yep. Right there. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's a screw or not. Or is that the, air hole? Yep. The vent. Okay. Fair enough. So there's no screw in there. It's just the air vent. So I don't have a flathead screwdriver down here. We're going to use the old kitchen standby, the butter knife. See what happens. No, doesn't like that at all. Really? Oh, like the Dead Sea Scrolls in here. Okay. Same on the other side. Oh boy. Yep. How unfortunate. Yep. Oh yeah. Looks like some sort of a head crash. You can actually hear it scraping on the plus look at all the aluminum shards. Well, that's too bad. Yeah, that's really bad indeed. Yep. Well, at least now I know with some certainty what the problem is with this thing. That's kind of too bad. That because the motor works fine. You can hear the head do its thing, and but I guess it just doesn't like it. What a shame. Well, if anybody needs drive electronics, this drive is now available. If you need anything off of the PCB or the PCB itself. Thanks for watching, everybody, for another, although this one's much shorter, episode of Unwrapped, Unscripted. Bye for now. Little addendum here. I figure yeah, this drive shot, there's nothing we can do to bring that back. Although if you happen to be a miracle worker or have some new experimental method to resurface platters, not going to completely disassemble it, but to make the video a little bit longer, I'm just going to put the screw the cover back on. We'll try taking the control board off, see if we can look at the stepper motor from the opposite side and look at the spindle motor from the opposite side. Because that's one of the things that I like about the older full height drives, especially if you got the case off, the cover, and you're trying to run some form of diagnostic on the thing. You can actually see the stepper motor move. You can actually see if the spindle motor is spinning the platters. And why do I keep thinking that this screwdriver is magnetic? It's not. All right, so slightly bigger screwdriver. Okay, don't want to be that's interesting how it's kind of tied to things. Can't really get the PCB off of here without disconnecting a lot of the wires. And even though the drive is dead, I'm not going to completely sacrifice it to science, just in case there's somebody out there who needs something off of it. So again, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.